is a pulley manufactured on our super duper Zortrax 3D printer. Now this has been 3D printed in approximately an hour and a half. All it's required us to do is design it on a computer, send it to the machine, and hey presto, we've got this lovely pulley. In the past, we would have had to use a machine like this, which has got a lathe and a milling machine. We would take a rod of metal like that, then we would manufacture it using subtractive processes to give the grooves that you see around the rod. And then when we're finished, we would cut it to length and we'd have something similar to what we did in one process on the printer. On the left here we have aluminium, which is subtractive manufacturing, where we remove the material to create the middle object, which is a pulley, is the finished article. And on the very right we have our 3D printed example, which just requires additive manufacturing on a printer. Okay, here we have a finished pulley for one of our devices, and you can see it looks solid, as it was made out of one piece of plastic or metal. But actually it's been produced in a 3D printer, and that's what it looks like inside. So its density is about 20%, it's made up in layers, and actually the pattern here is pinched from nature. You'll find this in many plants, and it's structurally stronger. It means we use less material and enables us to get a finished article that's as strong as if it was made out of solid plastic or metal in this case. Now just to finish off, what we have here is examples of 3D prints that have been manufactured in one process, but they're moving parts. For example, we've got a little wheel here, a wee fidget, and then we have these little gears here. And just for fun, we have a pair of scissors. So this was printed as one part. There were supports around it, and all you do is remove the supports and you've got a working article, in this case, to have fun with.